Do you remember the project that the customer was holding off 30 grand from me? Well, we had a meeting today, and here's how that went. I arrived early and waited for the boys to show up. Turns out they sent two of their toughest guys to shake me down. I'm just kidding, Joe. Todd and Joe showed up and were very kind and polite to the homeowners. They explained the process and they said that they could remediate the situation. They approved the customer of getting brand new materials, but who in the heck is going to put up the money to replace all of this? That's when Joe, Todd, and I sat down and had an honest conversation. It's going to cost me 17 grand on a break-even scenario to replace this paver. They promised they go back to the drawing board, see what they can do, and give me a final offer. Now let me know, will they give me the 17 grand or am I cooked?